Since our founding in 1911, Viking Pump has built over 7 million pumps and supplied them to customers all over the world. These pumps handle the broadest range of liquids in the industry. We've prepared a listing of 50 pump applications, tying each to a state where this application can commonly be found. This does not mean that these applications are exclusive to that state, nor does it mean that this is the only Viking Pump application to be found in that state. It's just a fun way to outline 50 of Viking Pump's most common and successful applications. Today, let's explore Viking Pump applications in Wyoming, Arkansas, North Carolina, Kentucky, and North Dakota. You're watching the Pump Report. Our first state is Wyoming. Like Texas and others, they're well known for their petroleum industry. When refining petroleum, the heaviest of distilled products are known as residuals, commonly known as tar or asphalt. Asphalt is used in paving and applied to surfaces for its sealing and sound deadening properties. Viking Pump is the leading manufacturer of asphalt pumps in the U.S., helping to refine and apply this hot, viscous liquid across the country. And fun fact, asphalt is the most recycled material in North America today, allowing old roads to be ground up, melted down, and reapplied, cutting the need for drilling for more asphalt. Arkansas is a leading producer of a variety of agricultural products to support the global food supply. Viking Pumps can be found assisting with the production of a variety of meat products. This includes the handling of meat emulsions for producing everything from chicken nuggets to hot dogs to summer sausages. In each case, Viking hygienic pumps are favored for their ability to handle large, soft solids and be fully disassembled for cleaning and inspection, required to prevent contamination. In North Carolina, you'll find a variety of paints being manufactured. But in general, paint is viscous, shear sensitive, and it can be abrasive depending on the color and pigments used. This makes Viking positive displacement pumps best suited for paint and coating applications. From automotive paint to house paint to specialty coatings, Viking Pump has you covered. Viking pumps are renowned for their ability to handle viscous liquids, and perhaps nowhere is this better demonstrated than Kentucky. Kentucky is home to a host of rubber and tire manufacturers. Rubber is exceedingly viscous. Viking rubber pumps are commonly fitted with an enlarged top inlet port and special internal design to help feed in the viscous rubber emulsion to help produce a variety of rubber products, including tires. No more than 20 years ago, the bulk of Viking pumps in North Dakota were used for sugar beet sugar, sunflower oil, fuel oils, and more. But today, the western part of the state has joined Texas, Colorado, and Alaska as key producers of domestic crude oil. Today, Viking LACT pumps can be found across the Bakken field of western North Dakota, as well as other oil fields around the country and the world. So what'd you think of our list? Or did we leave off an application in your state that you'd still like us to highlight? Please let us know in the comments. To learn more about these applications, or to view the pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.